So in this video you are going to learn about Google Sheets. What is Google Sheets? Google Sheets means Microsoft Excel. So you are going to learn it. You go to your Play Store, you type Sheets. You can see it. So always follow this first one. Click on Sheets. You can see it. I already have it. Google Sheets installed. They say I should update. If you are just seeing this feature for the first time, they will ask you to install. So just go ahead and do it. So now you can see that it has finished installing. So it has finished installing. Let me open it. Open it. I see Google Workspace. So these are Google Workspace. You can virtually do everything here. You can do everything on your sheet. You can see all my sheets, all the works I have done. You can see them here. My personal jobs that I have done. So Google Sheets is very good. Like if you are a data analyst, if you are lead generation personnel, that you can see the lead generation, some of the lead generations I have done. You can see some of the works I have done. You understand? You can see all my skills and all that. So here are copies of them. There are so many things you can do with them. So you can see them. So now you go to plus. You can choose template as well, just the same way, and you can choose new spreadsheet. So I always tell people, if you don't know what to do, choose template. If you know what to do, choose new sheet. Go to template. You can see this one is to-do list. How do I do my to-do list? I have things to do this week. How do I do it? So remember, there are also apps where you can have all these things automated. But if you don't have it, please, you can use your Google Sheet and arrange it for yourself. So you can see to-do list here. You can start creating what are your to-do lists. You can use this person's template to do your own. You come to date, you change date. You can see it. Just click on it, remove it. You can put today's date is what? Today's date, I think, is 17th. You can put 17th 04/2022. 25. Mark good. You understand? You can go to task. What are your tasks? You put it after you click on good. You understand? You click on good. See your date. So now you can start writing the things you want to do. You understand? So this is how it's done. You can do it. You can change anything you want. There are so many. So you keep on practicing it until you see you want to change. You can see all the tools. All the tools are here. And some people will say, how do I add tools? How do I use all this shift? How can I align my words? How can I do this one? How can I do this one? This one is like a wrapping. Maybe you finish typing and it is in spread. You just have to organize it by wrapping it. You understand? How can I put some things? You can see it. Okay. So here is for formatting. All the things you need to format. You can list all your to-dos here. You can see it. If you want to add comments, maybe you are telling your boss what to do with this document or how to help you with it, just add your comment. You add your comment. So if you want a discussion, you can start a discussion. So that is how it's done. If you are done with this one, you just go back. Once you go back, it's already here. You just come here and put and edit whatever you want to edit. So these are the things you need to know, especially if you want to work remotely. You see all these Google does, you see Google Drive, you see Google Slide. You don't have to joke with them, because majority of the works that your clients give you are always done there, because you cannot be working ordinarily on your Microsoft. And now Microsoft Word have their own too. Like, because I have the knowledge of docs, all this Google Workspace, I can confidently work on Outlook, because all of them have features, and that Outlook is from Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word and Google, they are different companies, but they have things in common, because before Microsoft Word is installed directly on your phone, nobody can see it unless you download it and share with the person. But Microsoft Word has seen Google is doing all these things, and they started having their own. So you can now work confidently on Outlook. You understand? You can do your OneDrive. OneDrive meaning that it's the same thing. You can be working and others will be seeing what like the works I do for my clients. The blogs I write and everything. I don't download anything. I don't even tell her I've downloaded. She just creates. I just log in and prepare the articles I have. She has given me the list of things to do. I have my work task sheet, so I just go there, start doing things. Whenever she needs anything, she goes there. It's accessible to her. She owns it. I just go there and do my work. So it's called OneDrive. It is also the same thing applicable to, like, maybe you are working with a company that you have, like when I was working in a regulatory firms, we also, my MD created Google space where we do all our work. I don't need to go and tell her I did work. She just, even in her computer, she will be seeing that I'm working. You understand? So those are the things. As a remote worker, you have to know those things. You have to know those things, okay? So you learn how to use them one by one. So you see Google Docs, you see Google Sheet. If you want to work remotely, don't joke with those two apps. You understand? Then Google Drive. So in my next video, I am going to teach you about Google slides. I'm going to show you. So, but let me show you other templates that we have here. Let me show you other templates that we have here. You can see monthly budget. Your MD might tell you, please prepare a monthly budget. This is annual budget. You can see Google Finance Investment Tracker. Investment Tracker. You can see annual calendar. You can edit even calendar here. You understand? You can see schedules. What are your schedules for this week? You can see travel plan. Your MD might be the traveling type and ask you, please prepare a travel plan for me. You start from here. If you don't know all these ones, you cannot use other apps. It will be difficult for you to learn other apps. So start with your Google Sheet. Google Sheet is very, very good. It's something that you cannot do without. You can see invoices. Maybe you are working a client, say raise an invoice. You don't know how to raise an invoice. Please come and use the template here and raise an invoice. You can see analytical dashboard, customer relationship management. You can see it, your CRM report. You can get it here. You can see project management. How do you manage your project? You can see project timeline metrics. You can see it. What are your timelines? You can see so many things. You can see attendance. After a meeting, they will ask you attendance or your assignment tracker. You can see it. So take it easy and make sure you install these apps. You understand? So the basic apps you need, please install them. Okay? See you in my next